Case study: AI's role in cybersecurity, a case study on enhancing threat detection and addressing ethical challenges at Technova. The Security Operations Center at Technova, a leading technology firm, buzzed with activity. Screens displayed a constant flow of network traffic, system logs, and security alerts. At the heart of this digital fortress sat Alex, the SOC manager, who faced an ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. The challenge was clear: traditional security measures were no longer sufficient. The question on everyone's mind: how could AI technology revolutionize their cybersecurity efforts? Technova had recently invested in an AI-driven cybersecurity platform. This system, equipped with machine learning capabilities, promised to enhance threat detection, response, and prevention. To understand the impact of AI on their cybersecurity measures, Alex decided to evaluate a recent incident. A month prior, Technova experienced an unusual spike in network traffic. While traditional signature-based detection methods failed to flag the anomaly, the new AI system, through unsupervised learning, identified deviations from normal network behavior. The system alerted the SOC team, suggesting potential malicious activity. Could this anomaly detection have prevented a larger breach? The team initiated a deep investigation. Using deep learning algorithms, the AI platform analyzed the behavior of files involved in the network anomaly. Surprisingly, it identified a new strain of malware that had not been documented in any threat database. This revelation prompted Alex to reflect: how effective was AI in identifying unknown threats compared to traditional methods? The AI system's ability to learn from data without explicit programming proved invaluable. However, the team faced a dilemma. The AI model provided an alert but lacked explainability. This raised an important question: how critical is transparency in AI systems for cybersecurity professionals? Addressing this, Alex initiated a review of AI's role in automating incident response. Normally, the SOC would grapple with thousands of alerts daily. With AI, automation triaged alerts, prioritized them based on severity, and executed predefined responses. This reduced manual intervention and allowed the team to focus on critical threats. Yet, how could they ensure the AI's decisions were both accurate and fair? The AI's impact didn't end there. By aggregating data from diverse sources, threat feeds, social media, and dark web forums, the system provided comprehensive threat intelligence. This proactive approach identified emerging threats and enabled the team to update defenses promptly. But Alex pondered: could this reliance on AI compromise data privacy and ethical standards? While AI presented clear advantages, the SOC team was aware of potential adversarial attacks. Hackers could manipulate input data to deceive AI models, making them blind to actual threats. Research by Goodfellow et al. On adversarial examples highlighted this vulnerability. How could Technova safeguard its AI systems against such manipulations? Balancing AI's benefits with ethical considerations, Alex emphasized regulatory compliance. AI systems often analyze vast amounts of data, raising concerns about privacy and potential misuse. Ensuring transparency, explainability, and adherence to privacy regulations was paramount. What strategies could Technova adopt to maintain trust and accountability? Reflecting on these questions, Alex and the team devised a multifaceted approach. They incorporated periodic reviews of AI algorithms to enhance transparency and ensure non-discriminatory practices. By integrating feedback loops, they aimed to refine AI's decision-making process, addressing any biases. Additionally, they fortified defenses against adversarial attacks through continuous model training and the development of robust anomaly detection mechanisms. The case at Technova showcased AI's transformative potential in cybersecurity. It highlighted the need for a balanced approach, combining advanced technology with ethical considerations and robust defenses. By leveraging AI, Technova aimed to create a secure digital environment, staying ahead of evolving cyber threats while maintaining trust and accountability. In conclusion, the integration of AI in cybersecurity offers unparalleled advantages, from enhanced threat detection to automated incident response. However, it also presents challenges that require careful consideration. Ensuring transparency, addressing ethical concerns, and safeguarding against adversarial attacks are crucial for harnessing AI's full potential. Through ongoing research and collaboration, organizations like Technova can navigate these complexities, creating a safer digital landscape for the future.